It's summertime, which means sun's out, huns out, legs out, and so are armpits. Unless you're a girl that was blessed with absolutely no body hair, you're gonna want to get rid of that. Unless armpit hair is your jam, which is like totally cool too. You can braid it, put beads in it, you know. But one woman from Glasgow managed to glue her armpit together when she was trying to wax it, and trust me when I say this, it was not a good look. Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and spill the tea and arm the pit. I'm Charlotte Dover. Hit that sub button for the spiciest news updates on YouTube and poke that notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. Before I get into this story, tell me down there in the comments if one of your waxing sessions went horribly wrong so we can all laugh at your expense. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about my own horrible waxing experience just so you can laugh at my expense too, but you gotta wait until the end of the video. Waxing is a method of hair removal many people prefer because it lasts a lot longer than shaving. You can be hair free for up to 4 weeks after a wax, 6 weeks if you're really lucky. And also after waxing, your hair grows back far less prickly than when you shave because you're ripping the hair off at the root, not shaving it in the middle of the hair so that when it grows back it's prickly. But there are definitely some dangers when it comes to waxing, and no one knows this better than Kira Sturton. Kira Sturton from Glasgow is going viral after she tweeted photos and videos of her waxing session gone wrong. Now I'm gonna show the photo. The color of the wax is red, so it kind of looks like it might be like an open wound, but it's not. It's just the color of the wax. On June 4th she tweeted, "And yous are all bored about hearing about me and my boyfriend, but yes, he's on holiday, so I thought I would surprise him and wax. Forget the wax was wet and now my effing armpit is glued together. Let's just say my bikini line is getting the good old trusty razor." For those who are wondering why her tweet had strange wording and grammar, I guess that's because of the Glasgow dialect. So basically what happened here is she forgot about the wax under her arm while it was still wet, and she put her arm down and then the wax stuck together and so did her pit. She even tweeted again, "How does this even happen? It's hardened. I cannot lift my arm." A lot of people on social media thought that the photos that she shared looked a lot more graphic because of the color of the wax. I mean, that's a pretty reasonable thing to assume. Look at the color of that wax. That's very unfortunate. I thought wax was usually like blue. So what exactly does one do when you glue your armpit together with wax? Unfortunately, you gotta rip off the wax, which is exactly what Kira had to do. She told Jam Press that she's okay now, but she was left with a small cut on her arm after she ripped off the wax. She didn't need medical attention. But yep, it was probably painful. Waxing is very painful, especially bikini wax. Oh my lord. Does it hurt? Fellas, pay attention, because this is what women go through to make sure we're shiny and smooth and pleasant to touch. I hate waxing and shaving, so my boyfriend has to deal with a prickly pear most of the time. This story is exactly why I'm terrified to do home waxing, but even going to a professional isn't fun, so as promised, I'm gonna share my own waxing story. A few years ago, I was going to a music festival. If you've ever been to a festival, you know that you spend almost the entire time in a bathing suit or something that resembles a bathing suit. The less clothes the better. So I wanted to go get a bikini wax. It was my first time, but waxing hair leaves you smooth for weeks at a time, so I thought I would try it. Well, it's a little hair removal, right? So I'm in the chair getting waxed, and the wax is warm and soothing at first, but then the waxing technician said she was going to count down from 3 and pull it off. So I'm like, okay, cool, I'm ready for this. Just 3, 2, 1, and then it'll be painful for a second. She counts down 3, 2, and then at 2, when I wasn't expecting it, she ripped off the wax. And bro, I screamed so loud that the whole salon could hear. I actually ended up with a bruise on my bikini line that lasted around 2 weeks, so I didn't even really gain anything from getting waxed. Share your waxing horror stories down there in the comments. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. These were from our video, "The World Will End in 2050. Don Mar said, "Thanks for the anxiety, Charlotte. Now how will I sleep tonight?" Take a melatonin. Thomas Jin said, "Great video. I am currently following those tips and have been for years. By the way, did you dye your hair? Is it the green screen giving you that green color?" It's the green screen. I didn't dye my hair. To be honest, I'm not sure there's much we can do about the green ring around my head, so if you guys have tips for lighting, let us know. But if you have lighter hair like blonde or red like me, getting green out is hard because our green screen is huge and our hair reflects the green light it creates. So yeah, not really sure what to do about it. I guess I just have green hair. Sweet and Sour said, "Welcome to IO, your daily dose of anxiety." Ha! Good one. Chris King said, "Okay Charlotte, how about you practice what you preach then? You start walking to work, you start riding your bike to work. I'm sure you'll love to make videos for everyone with sweat stains on your clothes." I actually bike and walk to work and auditions all the time, and I bring a change of clothes. If you can't do that and you're afraid of sweat, walk home. You don't have to stop driving or taking public transit completely, but taking the opportunity to walk more often if possible is an amazing way to cut down on your environmental impact. Luke said, Charlotte the Eco Warrior. My parents were both in the oil industry and I'm still an Eco Warrior. What's your excuse? That is it for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep watching, check out that playlist, and obviously leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and I will see you in a future IO video.